In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round robin calendars in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and head into your account dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where the main navigation menu is located. This is where you'll find the key sections you need to manage your account tools and settings. From that left side menu, click on Calendars. This will take you to the calendar area where you can view and manage your existing booking options. If you're setting up shared booking availability for a team, this is the right place to be. Next, move to the top menu and click on Calendar Settings. This section is where you create and configure new calendars, including round-robin calendars. A round-robin calendar is useful when you want appointments to be distributed across multiple team members instead of all bookings going to one person. It's a great option for sales teams, support teams, or any business that wants to balance incoming meetings more evenly. Once you're in calendar settings, click on New Calendar. This starts the setup process for a brand new calendar. When the available calendar types appear, choose Round Robin. That tells Gohighlevel you want the system to rotate bookings between selected users based on availability. Now go ahead and add your calendar name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you'll be creating multiple calendars for different purposes. A simple, descriptive name will make management much easier later on. After that, select the team members who should be included in the round-robin rotation. These are the people who will receive appointments from this calendar. Be sure you're choosing the correct users, since the booking distribution will depend on the team members you include here. Next, set your custom URL. This is the link people will use to access the booking page. So it's a good idea to make it short, clean, and relevant to the purpose of the meeting. A clear URL also looks more professional when you share it with leads or clients. Then choose the meeting duration. This determines how long each appointment slot will be. Make sure the time length matches the kind of meeting you're offering, whether that's a quick introductory call or a longer consultation. Once everything looks right, click Confirm to save the calendar, and that's it. Your round-robin calendar is now created in Gohighlevel. As a final tip, after saving, it's always a good idea to review the calendar details to make sure the team members, URL, and meeting length are all set the way you want. That helps prevent booking issues later and ensures a smoother experience for everyone using the calendar.